Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. First, I would like to say excuse me for how I look. I look like a tired mother. That's because I am. But I want to welcome you back to my channel anyway. Today's video is going to be about me putting on this wig. Putting on this wig, showing you like the perfect way that I do it and how to install your wigs, honey. So if you would like to see that, then just that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. You guys do a terrible job. Comment and let me know what you would like to see next, but we're just gonna keep pushing it anyway. And yeah, so don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, all that other good stuff, and see you guys in my next video.